Happy Wednesday, amazing people. How are you doing? Today, I'm coming to you with the invitation to join my free masterclass called Imposter Syndrome is Your Friend. We are meeting this coming Friday, 12th of May at 7 p.m. UK time, and we will spend together approximately 75 to 90 minutes. And if you've been following me for a little while, you know that it is my mission to help people become more conscious. Because by being more conscious and knowing ourselves better, we start making new choices, different choices, more conscious choices. And by making more conscious choices and by knowing ourselves better, we start creating results that we, first of all, take full responsibility for. And secondly, we start creating results that we actually choose to create, instead of just falling into the situations and then asking, how did I end up here? And very often asking, how did I end up here again? And imposter syndrome is one big puzzle in this whole conscious conversation, because what the imposter syndrome is basically telling us is that we react in our everyday life in a certain way because of some pattern or some story that is stored in our subconscious mind and we are not even aware of it. So if you have a repeated thought of, for example, I'm not good enough in your mind, that thought, that belief comes from somewhere. It has its origins somewhere. You were not born with that thought that I'm not good enough, right? You didn't just come out and said, hi world, you know what, I'm not good enough. It doesn't happen like that. We pick up these thoughts, these beliefs somewhere along our life's journey. And people very often try to get the tools to beat their imposter syndrome, but the tools are not going to help you if you first don't tackle the origin, the root cause of your imposter syndrome. Without going to the root cause, you will simply repeat the same patterns. And so on Friday, I'm going to share with you what is the process of healing your imposter syndrome, because there is a process. And I want you to be aware of that process so that you can understand what's going on and how you can approach it. What's the journey of getting to the other side of your friend imposter syndrome? I will also share my struggles with imposter syndrome and how I healed it. What was my journey? So come and join us. This is really designed to help you understand your options better. So if you are challenged by imposter syndrome, I don't think you should miss this, really. I would love to see you there because I really, really want to help. Link to register is in the post, so please do that. Do go and register, and also share it with anybody you believe that would benefit from this conversation. And as always, I'm sending lots of love, and I will see you on Friday.